Okay, let's understand one question on the continue as well. So what I'm saying that let's say user is giving you the input and user is giving you the input like this, a b c x y a l m n a, right? And let's say I'm saying you here that whenever the user is giving you the any value here, means he will give any input, but you have to create a string. You have to create a string of only A's here, right? And the rest of the things, whatever the things are coming, you have to skip them. You don't have to consider them, right? Okay, but till where you should go, and to stop this continuous statement, what I will say is, if he is giving you the dollar sign, then at the time you should stop, right? So if the user wanna stop, so he has to give you the dollar sign, otherwise you can continuously take the input from him. So what I will do here is, I will do something like this here now. Same program I will take here, and let's say I'll say here while true again, and while true, that means it will be always true. This for loop, it can go to the infinite loop. And what I am saying here, the user will give the input, so I will say here value, or whatever the user value is giving me, I will say input, and I will say here enter val, right? Or press dollar sign to stop, right? This is the instruction I am going to my user, right? And here let's say I am saying here whenever the A's are coming, those A's I have to make a string of those A's, and if he is giving me some other values, I have to skip that. So what I will say, if val is not equal to A, so what I will do is, I will say here if val is not equal to A, then I will say here continue, right? But you have to see here string A, which is small one. We will continue here, otherwise what I will do is, I will do here something like this. Otherwise I have to create a string. I will say empty string, and plus equal to yes val, right? But this will go into the infinite loop. If you will check here, so check it here, and let me print the val as well. So I will say here print val within the while loop. That means after every iteration it will give me the empty string, right? It will give me the empty string as well. And this line will run, this line will run, this line will run, this line will run also, then we'll go back. That means always you will get some kind of a print here. So let's say it is giving me some value, so I will say A here first, then I'm saying B here, and then I'm saying X here, then I'm saying C here, then I'm saying A here again. Now you are getting A, right? Then I'm saying J here, then I'm saying U here, then I'm saying D here, then I'm saying N here. That means I'm giving again A here, then it is giving the another A, right? So that means once if some other thing is coming, so if other thing is coming, you are saying here val, like B, if I'm giving here, is B not equal to A? No. Yes, B is not equal to A. What you will do? Continue. You are again going back. You will never run this line nor this line. So continue skipping. Whatever the code is written after that, that code is being skipped. So here, if I will say again, understand here, you are saying the user give me the input, user is giving B, you are checking B is not equal to A. Yes, B is not equal to A, condition is true. What you are doing? Continue. So you are going to continue here, right? Again it is coming here, it is saying val, give me the val, you are giving A here, suppose. Now A not equal to A, it's false because A is equal to A, so you will not go inside. Where you are going? Here. Then you are saying the empty string plus equal to val. That means you are adding your A to this empty string and you are printing the A here. Again coming back here, let's say now he is giving you the C, you are checking C not equal to A. Yes, C is not equal to A. You are coming inside here, you are doing continue, and from this continue you are directly going to the while loop. You are not running these line number 6 and line number 8 is not executed at that time when you are using the continue, right? Since this loop will never end, this will never end, so what I have to do here is I will use one trick. So suppose I said dollar sign, now I am giving the dollar sign as well, so still it is not running. So what I have to do is I have to make here break statement. Getting this point? So for that what I will do is if you will see like after the if, we will use here some elif here. At the time I will use with it, if elif it is a dollar sign, then I will do exit at the time. But when you will check this, when our user is given dollar, you will check is dollar not equal to A. Yes, dollar is not equal to A, you will continue, right? So what you have to do is you have to keep here dollar at first keep this condition, then keep the elif condition. There is a reason for it, why I'm keeping dollar sign here, because I want this to be checked first, right? I will say if val is equal to dollar sign, and at that time what you should do, you should break, right? Rest of the things I will keep the same. The reason is that if I kept here a dollar sign and I'm keeping this val not equal to dollar sign here at the end, so at the time it will not work. Why? You can check it. Just keep the if val not equal to A, then keep elif val equal to dollar sign. You will never go here. Why? When you are checking the if condition first, because you will be checking the if condition first. At the time you will check dollar sign not equal to A. Yes, dollar sign is not equal to A, you will continue, right? So but here we are keeping the first this condition, right? Now if I will stop this and run it again, and let's say I'm giving here A, this A has been added, I'm giving here V, I'm giving G, I'm giving A, I'm giving F, I'm giving A, I'm giving something, okay, T, and then I'm giving A, okay, you are getting 3A, but once I'm giving the dollar sign and the program is ending here. So I hope you understood this question as well. Thank you. And here you understand both the concepts like break and continue. Like break is breaking this loop, yani ki stopping this loop, and continue is skipping, right? It skips the rest of the code and goes back to the while loop. Break comes, so whatever the code is written after that, it is saying that forget about that code, just come out of the while loop. It is just coming out of the while loop. And continue, what continue is doing, it is just skipping. It does just skipping here. That's it. Thank you.